got some wind with us today, but as a whole, the weekend's looking pretty great, Sarah.
Yeah, so if you were looking for something outdoorsy to do this weekend, I think this is probably going to be one of our most beautiful weekends on tap here before we finally set into more cooler weather here as we start to transition those seasons. But otherwise, today, a beautiful day out there. We're looking at some beautiful sunshine here as we take a live look at your Lewiston Auto camera from Assisi Heights, looking towards the west there. Things pretty quiet out here. We're looking at some nice sunshine this afternoon. Temperatures at 50 degrees here in the Med City. Winds out of the south around 31 miles per hour. So very strong blustery winds here for the region today. So thankfully that air temperature feeling like 50 degrees. So that's pretty nice out there. Really just a gorgeous day outside. The temperatures elsewhere sitting into those upper 40s, low 50s, pretty predominant here across the region. About 54 in Winona, 52 in Dodge Center and Austin. Same for Mason City and Albert Lea at 54 as well. So just kind of a quiet day out there. High pressure and control of the upper Midwest. We've seen a few clouds kind of filter in on and off throughout the day. We'll maybe see a few more that's kind of building in here from our west, continue to build in as we continue into this afternoon, but still we'll get to enjoy some of that nice sunshine here. And then this weekend looking to be pretty fantastic. So today, your Friday really consisting of some nice sunshine for the region and rather blustery winds. We'll see those winds continuing into your Saturday as well. This weekend though, looking to be fantastic. We'll continue on with that great sunshine, dry skies. Temperatures actually be warmer, back into the low 60s for our region. So feeling very much like fall here for the upcoming weekend. Above average for sure. Rain chances looking to stay pretty limited here throughout the next several days. Our next best chance arrives towards about the middle of next week. But those wind speeds, like I said, looking to stay pretty strong here over the next 24 hours, especially this afternoon with those wind speeds ranging anywhere from about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Slowly dying down here later on tonight, but looking to stay pretty breezy towards about 10 to 15 miles per hour as we head into early tomorrow morning and towards that middle afternoon time frame. But otherwise, sky conditions looking to stay pretty quiet here throughout the region. We'll look to see some of that cloud cover kind of filter in for the afternoon, looking to clear out a little bit more here as we head towards the dinner time hour tonight. Overnight looking to stay pretty clear, pretty quiet. Temperatures on the mild side into the low 40s as we continue throughout your Saturday. Then really just a gorgeous day out there, getting those temperatures back into those low 60s for the region. And as we head into Sunday, another quiet day on tap for the region. Maybe a couple more clouds for the area, but otherwise really just a beautiful weekend in store here for our region. So today we'll see those high temperatures getting into about the low 50s. So we'll climb a few more degrees here for the Med City before we're done. Mix of sun and clouds throughout the day, and winds staying pretty blustery out of the south throughout the region today. As we head into tonight, then we'll see a few clouds here and there. Breezy winds continuing for the region out of the southwest with overnight temperatures into the low 40s. As we look ahead to that weekend, absolutely gorgeous out there. Temperatures topping off into the low 60s, low 40s expected for those overnight temperatures. Winds will continue to remain on the breezier side here for your Saturday and Sunday, but nowhere near as breezy as what we're dealing with here today. Another thing to remember as we head into the weekend, set your clocks back an hour as we head into Sunday morning. So Saturday night, don't forget about that. But as we head into the new week, though, looking to see temperatures kind of cooling back more, especially for the midweek, where we could see some rain chances moving back into the region as well.
Yikes, I see what you're putting up there for Friday. We haven't seen that symbol yet on a forecast here.
Well, the good news is that that's on our seventh day there of our 7-day forecast, so a lot can change here in that time frame. I'm not necessarily agreeing with that, but for now, we're going to kind of go with that model consensus, kind of going with that mix, but I'm leaning more towards rain, so that's the good news. But yeah, it's going to be that time of year where we have to start thinking about that, unfortunately.
It's going to be a lot cooler at least, so
yes,
we know to enjoy the next 2 days and not waste them. All right, thank you. Erin